Hello everyone, it's Hanny with Cat Hands Mixed Media Morsels Book of Colors and page 9, and that's September. The last one was the pink one, I think, yeah. And this is going to be September. Number 9. Oh yeah, and the color is, well, green. That's obvious, I think. I have to have a few pins. To keep my little book a bit flat. So I'm going to, well, make this spread. And what do I have? Well, all kinds of greenish scraps on here and green paper, all kinds of green papers. Here's a scrap too. Bingo card. Here all kinds of green papers. It's a bit overwhelming. I have a bit too much. I have a green, like I said, bingo card. So I'm going to put that aside. I have some focal images, stamps, tickets, a bit of text, pre-made, well, thingy, some embellishment, greenish embellishment, all kinds of whatever is green. Some green washi tape. I thought I had another one. Well, it should be somewhere. Some green lace. I have green rhinestone stickers, flowers, and here I have all kinds of greenish. There are beautiful rhinestones in there. So I think. Oh yeah, and I had a few greenish flowers, which I can't see now. Little, they were not flowers, but little bows. So I think, oh, I should check my flowers. Maybe I have some green flowers. Well, I'm going to, well, it's too much, like I said. So I'm going to, how do we call that? I can't think of the word, of words. Well, to make a choice, what I'm going to use. Sort it a bit better, so it's a bit simpler, a bit easier to make choices. So that's what I'm going to do first, then I'll be back and show you what I chose and what. Well, that's enough, I think. Well, one moment. So I'm back. I reduced it a bit. I wanted to have as much as possible this kind of green, but it's a bit difficult because you have a yellowish green, bluish green, and brownish green. Well, a lot of kinds of greens, but I made this choice, and I had this lovely pack of rhinestones, and I found these ones with a little flower in it. You can't see it very well, I think, but I think I'm going to use one of those, or maybe all three. They are, well, they are flat. Not so thick, because you have rhinestones which are very thick, like this one. You see, it's a thick one, so I won't use such a rhinestone, and all kinds of little ones. So maybe, I don't think I use those flowers, but I found them, and I found some leaves. And this kind of leaves, I broke one, you see. Well, maybe I can use one of those, and I found this little piece of fabric, and well, I like that. And I cut off the purple ends of this one. Maybe I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to speed up the video again, and well, enjoy watching.